Okay people, well today I'm going to be picking another old Yale rim cylinder. This is another 5-pin cylinder. I'm going to try and pick it here on my practice board, so do it as a static pick. I'll try and SPP this one if I can. Also with the tension wrench there, I don't know if you can see, it really needs no tension at all. Just basically the weight of the tension wrench is enough. I'm just going to touch my finger on it just so I can get a feel. There we go. That's picked. That's a 5-pin old Yale cylinder picked. It's not actually working with the key. It does sometimes if you give it a bit of a jiggle. But I'm pretty sure that is the key for it. Try and show you the bitting on the key. So that's it, that's the Yale 5-pin SPP'd. It does make a difference when you're trying to static pick. It's a totally different feeling really. I do find it a fair bit harder. This cylinder isn't too bad, but anything sort of higher security I do struggle a bit static pick, but trying to get a bit more use out of my board here and get used to it. There was another thing I wanted to show you as well, actually. If I can just try and get this camera off here. Which is this, which is my new tripod. I got this off eBay. It cost me about £5 I think, delivered. And I just thought I'd show you this because I think it's really handy. It's a twistable, flexible one. You can basically bend it or put it on anything. It really does help when trying to do videos at funny angles. You can sort of bend it in any position you want. So that was off eBay and that was about £5. It's really light, easy to use, it will fit most cameras. That's it really. Thanks for watching. Keep watching because we'll be posting some more videos soon. Please leave your comments and please rate the video. Cheers.